Greetings, fellow gardeners. Today we're talking about cultivating vegetables in pots, the ultimate guide for small spaces. You can grow a thriving mini veggie garden right on your balcony patio or windowsill. Here's a quick guide to the ideal pot size for each plant to keep them happy and productive. Pots are a game changer for mini veggie gardens in small spaces. They're perfect for growing a variety of plants, and you can place them anywhere: balcony, patio, or even indoors. Here are some benefits of using pots. Space-saving pots allow you to make the most of limited space, and you can stack them up to maximize vertical space. Flexibility: move pots around to optimize sunlight and temperature conditions for each plant. Soil control: use a potting mix specifically designed for containers and tailor it to your plant's needs. Water efficiency: pots help prevent overwatering, and excess water can drain out. For mini veggies, choose pots that are at least 5 to 20 liters or inches deep and have good drainage holes. Some popular veggies for small spaces include cherry tomatoes, leaf lettuce, herbs, and peppers. Do you have a specific veggie or herb in mind for your mini garden? Here's the pots, the ultimate guide for small spaces garden. 5-liter pots perfect for leafy greens and herbs that don't need deep soil: lettuce, chard parsley, basil, chives. 10-liter pots, a bit more depth, helps root veggies and compact greens grow strong: radish, celery, turnip, carrot, kale. 15-liter pots for medium-sized plants that need extra nutrients and root room: cabbage, beetroot, garlic, Brussels sprouts, chilies. 20-liter pots, these larger containers are perfect for heavy feeders and big producers: tomato, broccoli, bell pepper, cauliflower. Use rich, well-draining soil and place your pot where they'll get at least 6 hours of sunlight. Daily water regularly, but avoid soggy roots. Even the smallest corner can become a lush, edible garden, one pot at a time. Happy gardening! Do you have a specific question about pots or a particular type of planters you'd like to know more about? That's it for today's gardening video. Remember to be patient and enjoy the process of choosing pots for your garden. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. 5 reasons why pots are a must-have for mini veggie gardens in small spaces. Would you like me to suggest some popular veggies for small spaces, or provide tips on potting mix and care? Grow your own food anywhere. Ultimate container gardening hacks for small spaces.